How's it going, guys? I'm going to show you how to replace your license plate light bulbs in your 2011 Honda Fit. They're size 168. So what you're going to do is you're going to find your license plate lights, which they're right underneath the Honda logo in the back. And all you're going to do is you're going to push them towards the center and pick it up. And then they should just kind of pop on out. Somehow. There they go. There they are. And then they fall down. And we're just going to pull the socket out and put the new ones in. You just squeeze these two tabs together and it just falls right out of the housing. Just put the housing down in here. We'll get our new bulbs out and put them in a new socket. Now that we got it in, we are going to go and turn the lights on and make sure that they work, because sometimes LEDs, you got to put them in a directional way. Look at that, work first time. There we go. Now you're just going to repeat that on the other side, and that's it.